Hello, fellow TBCians. Once again, I salute you. I salute all the TBC in the world and those who are not yet members of the TB Global Queens. Once again, I'm here to tell you that gradually, we are attaining our 1 billion objective. Very soon, you will get there. Very soon, you get there. And I want to encourage those who are having TBC Queen. I'm here to encourage you people. Please don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Because those people who invested in those first cryptocurrency, they made a big mistake by selling their coins earlier on, but today they are regretting. If you are a TBC and you have some TBC in your account, please hold it and hold it well. Don't let anyone deceive you that you are going to exchange your TBC for goods or items. Please hold your TBC very well. Don't lose hope because the future is so bright in TBC. If you sell it right now, a lot of things will happen to you and you'll be surprised. Enjoying TBC will become here in the next 2 years, 1 year to come. Don't worry yourself by selling your coins. Don't tell her you're in need of money, so you have to sell your coins, mean or crook. So I'll urge you to hold on your coins. And those who are yet to invest in TBC, please, TBC will change their life, the future, the financial future of certain people. Those who see the opportunity earlier on, and those who saw the opportunity earlier on, TBC will change their life. Please, let's promote TBC together. Let's bring TBC to the higher level, because so far, according to my analysis, TBC is the only coin, the only cryptocurrency coins that is doing boom in the market. You can't compare TBC with any other coins. You can't compare TBC with any other coins. TBC is so special that we have our private issue. You are not even on the market coins. That makes us special. Very soon, TBC will go global. It will be the number one currency, the number one coins that will be required for everywhere. Everywhere will need it to do transaction. So I beg you, those who are still holding their coins, please be patient and hold it. Those who don't have any coin in TBC, I'll urge you to get some coins, because very soon it will be boom. Boom. When I say boom, it will be boom. Let's hold our coins. Let's hold our coins for the better of our generation. I will not regret, and I don't regret by investing into TBC. I don't regret by putting my little investment into TBC, because I can see the future of TBC is going to be bigger than those coins who came earlier on, bigger than those coins who are right now facing challenges. So I'll urge the whole populace, I will urge the whole world to do something great about their coins, to do something better about their coins. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. Very soon we will have our ATM TBC, which will be out. You can cash your money. TBC is money. TBC is money for transaction and commodities and for services. So please, let's hold back and let's sit down and let's cross our finger together so that you can make it and make it better, and the future will also be bright for us. Those of us who saw the opportunity earlier on, the future will be very bright. If you don't lose hope, if you keep on pushing hard, it will be very bright. So once again, I'll urge you, let's all keep our coins together. Let's all keep all our mind together. Let's focus on the betterment of our future, on the betterment of our generation. You will change life. The poor will become rich. The poor will become rich because the rich don't invest in this kind of coins. They thought it is a scam. So I'll urge you, take the risk and you will laugh later. Take the risk and you will laugh. Your donation, your family, your whole family will laugh with you for taking this risk by investing into cryptocurrency TBC, the better coins in the world, the number one coins that is going to be in the world. So that is my advice for you. I don't regret investing to TBC. I want to do the same. So thank you very much. Think better for today. Take a bold step today, and your tomorrow shall be best. Thank you, TBCians. Thank you, the world. Thank you. That is me. Bye bye.